Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best sous vide machines. The ultimate precision cookers for achieving restaurant-level perfection in your own kitchen, turning out flawlessly tender steaks, silky eggs, juicy poultry, and vibrant vegetables with zero guesswork. Sous vide has exploded in popularity because it locks in flavors and nutrients by cooking food sealed in bags at exact temperatures in a water bath. No more dry, overcooked meals or babysitting the stove. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into precision cooking, a busy parent meal prepping healthy dinners, an aspiring home chef chasing Michelin star results, or someone who loves hosting with consistent gourmet dishes, these immersion circulators stand out for power, accuracy, speed, and features. We'll dive into wattage for heating efficiency, temperature precision, circulation strength, controls, touchscreen or app, waterproofing, noise levels, and real user experiences to help you find the best fit for your pots, containers, and budget. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices, deals, and affiliate links. Let's immerse ourselves in precision cooking. Is the Autohome 1300W sous vide machine, a beast of a budget option that's ideal for anyone wanting raw power without the premium price tag. This cooker packs a hefty 1300 watts, meaning it heats large volumes of water lightning fast, often cutting preheat times in half compared to 800, 1000W models. Perfect for big batch cooking or when you're in a hurry for dinner. It offers precise temperature control from around 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit with good stability. A clear digital touchscreen for setting time, up to 99 hours, and temp, strong circulation pump for even heat distribution, and full IPX7 waterproofing, so you can rinse it under the tap without worry. The adjustable clamp fits most pots or containers securely, and it's surprisingly quiet for its power level. Some mention the build feels a bit plasticky compared to name brands, and there might be minor temperature fluctuations in very large baths. But for entry-level cooks needing speed and capacity on a tight budget, the Autohome 1300W punches way above its weight and gets you pro results fast. Moving up, we have the Sustia's 1200W sous vide cooker, a fantastic mid-range choice that bundles convenience and reliability for newcomers or everyday home use. With 1,200 watts of heating power, it strikes a great balance. Quick enough to heat standard pots in 15 to 20 minutes while being energy efficient for longer cooks. The intuitive touchscreen display is large and bright, showing real-time temp and countdown timer, with precise controls down to 0.1 degrees increments across a wide range. It circulates water effectively for uniform cooking, runs quietly so it won't disturb your kitchen vibe, and boasts IPX7 waterproof construction for hassle-free cleaning. Many models even come as a starter kit with vacuum bags, a sealer pump, or clips. Everything you need to jump right in without extra purchases. Still, if you want a no-nonsense cooker with solid power, quiet operation, and bonus gear to get cooking immediately, Sustia's delivers dependable precision that makes sous vide feel effortless. It's the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker, a beloved connected model that's perfect for cooks who love guidance and smart features alongside rock-solid performance. Typically around 1,000 to 1,100 watts, it heats efficiently with exceptional accuracy, plus or minus 0.1 degrees Fahrenheit, and powerful circulation that keeps temperatures ultra-stable even in bigger vessels. No hot or cold spots ruining your meal. The sleek design includes an adjustable clamp, detachable skirt for easy cleaning, and controls via onboard touchscreen or the excellent Anova app over Bluetooth. Some versions add Wi-Fi. That app is a game changer. Thousands of free guided recipes, remote start/stop, temperature graphs, and community tips turn you into a sous vide pro quickly. Occasional Bluetooth dropouts or app updates can be annoying, but for smart integration that educates and elevates your cooking without overwhelming complexity, this Anova model is a trusted favorite that bridges beginner to advanced. Coming in strong is the Coq Direct Sous Vide machine, an underrated value champ that rivals big brands in performance while keeping things simple and affordable. Usually 1,000 to 1,200 watts, it heats water quickly and maintains temps with impressive stability thanks to a robust circulation system. Tests show even dye distribution in minutes. The user-friendly touchscreen with bright indicators makes setting time and temperature a breeze, and it includes practical features like overheat protection and a secure clamp. It's quiet, compact, and often praised for accuracy that holds steady during long 24 to 48-hour cooks for ribs or roasts. Many owners appreciate the straightforward design with no unnecessary gimmicks, delivering consistent tender results on meats, fish, and eggs at a fraction of premium costs. Some note the interface could be more modern or that it skips app support, and the build is functional rather than luxurious. But for pure cooking prowess, fast, even, reliable precision without distractions, Coq Direct is a hidden gem that overdelivers for daily home chefs. Finally, earning the top spot as the best overall is the Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker. The gold standard for ultimate accuracy, versatility, and professional-grade results in 2026. With upgraded power, 1100 to 1200 watts in top models, it combines rapid heating with pinpoint plus, or minus 0.1 degrees Fahrenheit precision and superior circulation for flawless consistency in any size bath. Even commercial-like volumes for meal preppers. Dual-band Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth ensures seamless app control with the industry's best recipe library, remote monitoring, custom alerts, and detailed cook history. It's pricier than basics, and the higher-end Pro is overkill for casual use. But for unmatched reliability, smart features, community support, and results that wow every time, this Innova flagship remains the undisputed king of sous vide. And that wraps up our top 5 best sous vide machines of 2026. From the speedy out-of-home 1300W sous vide machine, beginner-friendly Sustia's 1200W sous vide cooker, app-connected Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker, value-packed Coq Direct sous vide machine, to the premium Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker flagship. There's a precision cooker here for every kitchen, skill level, and meal goal. Which one will help you nail perfect dinners effortlessly? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more kitchen gear reviews. Check the description for the best current deals so you can start sous vide mastery today. Thanks for watching.